Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Ram Express Quad Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2158X. 27,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check, history report, maximum steel metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seat 6, cloth interior. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Soft tonneau cover. Ram is very unique and is the only pickup truck on the market to have rear coil springs instead of leaf springs, giving you the best quality ride without sacrificing towing or hauling capacity. Locking tailgate. Trailering package. Bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Express has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Pages with driver information system, operated by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Easy to operate radio, as well as climate control. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Up and out of the way for a middle passenger. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7-liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower. And just as clean. Under the hood, as the rest of the truck, EPA fuel economy estimates can average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 40% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.